Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antonio.
Ktien Thylliej ka jingstad banwat ya ka Mynnor ka world folklore di ka tenat of cultural and creative studies CCS nihu ka pelong ya ka sing ka world folklore di joka ba pelong multiple pose hon man arteri unai lor ha ya ka sing bakat pang jong ka tenrai la larti ya ka thok ka puli bla pelong bat bla penyai da profesor semua kan mo plang ya balawan cimenta di kena puli jong skul ba nihu bat bacin sila kini Profesor Prabha Shankar Shukla ula long kongsan man puli ya kate ka sengi kate skul ba pelong da ke jing ya thir ba ke jing thop ban wat punya ya ka la riti ka Ktien ha ka puli dang le ka belong ka sembok perkhat ya kemudian banyet ya ka culture ha ka pertai ha kate seminar kemalatip baki riu risempang tibawan ban wat punya ya Ktien Thylliej ha bakin hikai naki tanda oper jong ni kelawan man simentah
biggest village in this area. I belong to that place where almost 75% of the inhabitants are the people who practice the jingstad, which is called chnong in our dialect. In this paper, I will focus on the chonya or morning songs as a genre of folk epic in Warjan. These songs retain the mystery and poetic idea, though to a varying degree from one singer to another. They are considered as oral epic, and none has been documented or recorded. In these songs or oral epic, the singer can decide what the audience must be offered. So that has attracted the attention of wide scholarships and has been responsible for the creation and production of amazing arrays of discourses ranging from the religious to philosophical, historical to literary, and constituted a part of human civilization, which is the most expensive form. Folk literature, like all expensive discourses, gave a veritable insight into the celebration of joy and sadness. In particular, morning songs constitute a very important dimension of oral poetry. So the chonya are the songs sung by the male member in the house of the dead person and are associated with death rites. They are sung to give company to the grief-stricken family, to mourn and lament for the loss of the member of the family and clan, to recount and remind of the deceased's detailed feats and achievements, his ancestors, his original place, and how the clan had come to. And I have written a little bit about oral literature. Oral literature as an animals occupy a central role, serving a key sex symbols, metaphors, and they all convey cultural values, spiritual beliefs, and morals of the people. And I'm so sorry that this is all coming. And linking with the language and literature, and then he replied that he has never heard it before. So I just brought over. They are more than the tales, and they are the portions of Garo worldview, embodying the community's beliefs about life, death, and the divine. Influences Garo language and literature, enriching them with symbolic meanings that moral lessons and cultural identity. These creatures are deeply embedded in the Garo worldview, where they are seen as messengers, protectors, and spiritual guides, reflecting the interconnectedness between the natural and spiritual realms. This connection manifests in various ways within the Garo language and literature.